We're doing some laundry here, so this is country chic. I just wanted to give you ladies a tip since we're going to be doing the softer life. We're going from the harder life to the softer life right here. And yeah, some laundry tips. So if you want to wash your softer, finer, velvety, silky clothing, you want to take some baking soda and some vinegar and maybe a nice soft fabric detergent, and then just let them soak, especially if you've had anything in storage like I do, and then you're going to use it for a very special event. Okay, so yeah, it takes out the odors and the stains. Aloha. Subscribe for more country chic beauty tips. Hola, aloha.